the complete guide to web push notifications and how they work. Hey everybody, JR Fisher back at you, and we're going to talk about web push notifications. These are amazing, but you got to know how to use them. You got to know what they are. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use them to build your traffic, to increase your sales, and to build your brand. And we're going to be starting right now. Don't forget to subscribe. If you would, hit that subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray, and don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Web push notifications, guys, this is one of the coolest things for your marketing campaign that is out there. So you're really going to want to watch this video to the very end so you totally understand it and you can get going today. So a web push notification is something where you can send notifications or information to somebody's browser even if they're not on your website, and they can see what's new on your site and you can get them over there. It's simple to do, and all they have to do is subscribe. Now here's an example right here. This is pretty cool. Users can opt in to receive these push notifications from a website. Subscribers can get notifications on both their mobile and desktop browsers. This is why web push notifications are also called browser notifications. Perhaps the best part of using web push notifications is that users don't need to be on your website to receive these push notifications. And unlike email newsletters, you don't have to wait and email them and hope they open their email to see anything. These notifications can be customized, personalized, and timely, which makes them highly effective in boosting user engagement. So web push notifications are used through whatever browser they're using, and almost all common browsers right now allow for web push notifications, unlike an app notification where they have to download an app to actually get the notification. As long as they're on their browser and they have their browser open, you can send notifications to these people, and it makes it so much easier. Okay, it looks something like this. Almost all modern browsers come with built-in support for push notifications. The support allows website owners like you to request your visitors permission to send them web push notifications. Once the person opts in, their web browser will be able to receive web push notifications that are from a particular website. Now you can actually schedule these web push notifications to match that person's actual time zone, since you may be dealing with people all around the world. Now let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of web push notifications, and I got to tell you, the pros way outweigh the cons. Let's check them out. So pros: web push notifications are an easy way to send timely and targeted messages to users on their devices. They work with both mobile and desktop, and unlike social media or email marketing, users don't need to visit a specific website or open an additional app to view the notifications. They are highly effective with up to 50% open rates on average. This makes them very useful in building engagement on your site. Now the cons: if used incorrectly, web push notifications may frustrate or even annoy users on your site. Some of your users may already have web push notifications disabled in their browser settings, which may limit your reach. Now you may question yourself. You may say, well, does my site need web push notifications? The answer is yes. Every single site needs web push notifications. Some people want to be in touch with you and they want to know when things happen, when specials happen, or when you have a discounted price, or you're having a big sale, or you're announcing a webinar, or whatever it is. They want to know about it, and those people are going to opt in and you'll be able to communicate with them. Now let's talk about how to install these, let's say on a WordPress website, which is most common. There's a lot of companies that put out these push notifications, but you do need that particular piece of software. So I'm going to talk about Push Engage in this video, but understand there's other ones out there too, but I want to have one base one that I know is really good and that you'll get good use out of. So let's check out Push Engage. Now here's Push Engage, and it allows you to easily schedule messages, trigger event-based notifications, send cart abandonment notices, and much more. Plus Push Engage also has a free web push notification plan, which is limited to 200 subscribers and up to 30 campaigns. Upon sign up, you'll reach Push Engage account dashboard. From here you need to go to settings and installation settings page. You can see it right here, and that's Push Engage. First you need to provide your site title and URL, and then upload a site logo. After that, don't forget to click on the update button to save your settings. Next, you need to generate an API key. This is not hard to do. These keys will allow your website to communicate with your account on the Push Engage website. All you got to do is go to Settings, Site Settings, API Keys page in your Push Engage dashboard, and click on the Generate a New API Key button. You can see it right here. Push Engage will now show you the API key, which is a string of letters and symbols, you know, all that gobbledygook. But you're going to need to copy and paste this API key into a text editor. Don't put it into Word or something like that, because it could change it. You're now ready to connect Push Engage to your website. First, you need to switch to the admin area of your WordPress website and then install and activate Push Engage WordPress plugin. Upon activation, click on the Push Engage menu in your WordPress admin sidebar and then switch to the Setup tab. Here you need to copy and paste the API key that you copied in the earlier step and then click on the Submit button right there. You can see it looks just like this. Push Engage will now connect to your WordPress website. You can now switch to the subscription dialog box tab and configure the plugin settings right here. Now, Push Engage comes with a lot of dialog box styles to choose from. This is what your users will see as a prompt to subscribe to your web push notifications. Below this, you can change the message that's shown on the page after the user first clicks allow. This is the page right here. After that, you can switch to the welcome notification settings. This is the notification that users see after subscribing to your push notification. So you decide what that's going to say right here, and then you hit update. Don't forget to click update button, okay? It won't save it if you don't click update. Sending web push notifications to subscribers makes it super easy to send web push notifications to your subscribers. First, you can configure the WordPress plugin on your site to automatically send web push notifications to notify subscribers of new posts. Simply click on the Push Engage menu in the WordPress admin area and then switch to the General tabs settings. From here, you need to scroll down to the WordPress post section settings. You can also manually write custom notifications and schedule them or send them right away. To do that, you need to switch to Push Engage dashboard and click on the notifications, create, and then new notifications. You can see that right here. From here, you need to provide a title, headline, message, and URL. This URL is where you want your users to go when they click or tap on the notification. By default, your site logo will be used, but you can replace it with any custom image you want. You see a live preview of your notification in different browsers in the right-hand column. You can see that right here. You can also send a preview notification to your own browser. Once you are satisfied with the notification, you can go ahead and send it, or you can schedule it to be sent later right here. Here is how it looks in a computer using a Mac operating system right here and Google Chrome. So that's what it looks like right there. Now, web push notifications are highly engaging in bringing more returning customers to your website. However, with little tweaks to your campaign's subscription box and settings, you can further boost the push notification click-through rates. Here are a few tested tips that will help you optimize your web push notifications. Now, a few things I would suggest that you try different dialog boxes. Push Engage has a whole bunch of different ones in there. Now keep in mind, until they clear their browser, they're going to see the same one, so keep that in mind. But this is what it looks like right here. It is smart to try different types to see how each one affects your open rate. Also, you want to take advantage of the automation features. The automation features are very helpful. They automate when these notifications are going to go out based on what the person's done, based on times, all kinds of different things. And you also want to segment your audience based on their interest. You'll find you'll get a whole lot better conversions by doing so. With Push Engage, you can create audience segments to automatically create a custom personalized experience for your users. Push Engage allows you to automatically segment users based on the page they subscribe from, the pages they viewed on your website, their device type, location, and much more. The next thing is you want to set a steady frequency of these web push notifications. Notifications can be highly useful but they are overused and can easily become a nuisance to your subscriber. Make sure you set a steady frequency of web push notifications per week, not too many to annoy users and not too little that users forget your brand. This is where you do your scheduling right here. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to track your web push notifications and look at the analytics. If you don't do that, you won't know what's working, what isn't working. So it's really important that you check that out and see which ones are working, which ones are not, and make adjustments as needed. So there you have it, a complete guide to web push notifications, the software that does it for you, and exactly how to use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. I know it will help your business if you actually use this and put it on your site. Do me a favor, put below, what did you think of this video? What results have you gotten from using web push notifications? Or maybe you just have a question, you can stick that below. Maybe you just want to say hi. Well, you can say hi down there too. Say hello. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Turn that red button to gray and don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.